Okay children, let us go for the next concept here. The next concept in the pair of linear equations is solving the pair of linear equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations into variables. Here the given equations are not in the pair of linear standard form of the pair of linear equations, as we are observing here. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. The given equations are not in the standard form of pair of linear equations. To make them pair of linear equations into variables, we have to reduce them into a pair of linear equations into variables. Let us reduce them. Let us solve these two by taking the values of x and y. Here I will take value of 1 by x. Here 1 by x I will take 1 by x is equals to p, and I will take 1 by y is equals to q. If I take 1 by x is equals to p and if I take 1 by y is equals to q, then the given equations becomes here 2 into 1 by x it is, children. This is 2 into 1 by x, it becomes 2p plus here it is 1 by y, we have taken here q, so it is a 3 into 1 by y, it becomes 3q. So this is equals to 13 children. This is, let us consider this one as equation number 1. In the same way, here the second equation is 5 by x, it is 5 into 1 by x, so it becomes 5p minus, here it is minus 4 into 1 by y, so minus 4 into 1 by y is q, minus 4q is equals to, it becomes minus 2. So let us consider this one as equation number 2. Again, you can use any one of the method to solve these two equations, whether it is elimination method or it is a substitution method. Here I will use the elimination method again to make here any one of the variable coefficients are same. Here both are not equal, so to make them equal I will multiply first equation by 5 and second equation by 2. So now I will get, so this implies 5 2s are 10p plus 5 3s are 15q, this is equals to 13 5s are 65. So children, now the second equation is, this is equation number 3. The second equation is 2 5s are 10p minus 2 4s are 8q. So this is equals to, minus into plus is minus, 2 2s are 4 children. This is equation number 4. So I have made the coefficients of p as the same. So let us solve these two equations simultaneously. If we solve these two equations simultaneously, children, here this plus 10p becomes minus 10p, here minus 8q becomes plus 8q, here it is minus becomes plus. So minus plus 10p minus 10p both get cancels. Here plus 15q, 8q is equals to, plus 8q is equals to 23q, 23q is equals to, here it is a 69, 65 plus 4 is 69. So this implies, children, q is equals to 69 divided by 23. So 23 ones are 23 threes are. So this implies q is equals to 3. Q is equals to 3. So to find the value of p, let us substitute the value of q in any one of the equation. Here I will take the equation number 1 here. So equation number 1 is 2p plus 3q is equals to 13. So this implies here the value of q is 3. So substitute that one in this equation. 2p plus 3 into 3 is equals to 13. So this implies 2p plus 9 is equals to 13. So this implies 2p is equals to 13 minus 9. So 2p is equals to 4. So p is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So p is equals to 2 children. P is equals to 2. So we got the value of P and value of Q. So what we have considered here in the given equations, the variables are x and y. Here we got the value of P and Q. So we want to get the value of x and y. Here we have taken we have considered 1 by x is equals to P. So this implies 1 by x is equals to, the value of P is what? 2 here. So cross multiply these two, then it becomes 1, cross multiply these two, or 1 is equals to 2x, or this implies x is equals to 1 by 2. X is equals to 1 by 2. This is the value of x. And to find the value of y, here we have considered 1 by y is equals to 1 by y is equals to q. So this implies 1 by y is equals to q is 3. So cross multiply these two again. 1 is equals to 3y. So y is equals to 1 by 3. Y is equals to 1 by 3. So the values of x and y are x is equals to 1 by 2 and x is equals to y is equals to 1 by 3. Let us verify these values in the, you can verify these values in by substituting in any one of the equation. So you will get both LHS and RHSs are always equal childrens. This is what equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables.